Both Catherine and I went to university and got our degrees in science. She did animal, I did plant science, so it kind of gave us a basis to run the mixed farm operation. We've kind of embraced and encompassed the environmental sustainability on our farm as well, and we've been doing that for quite a number of years, and we definitely see the benefits. We started with our water courses. We fenced them out so that the cattle didn't have access to the water itself. By doing that, we've provided shelter belts for lots of the wildlife here. We've also created a much better water quality. That water quality is important to us because we use it to grow our vegetables as well as watering our livestock. And all the aquatic species, it's a fresh, clean source for them. With rotational grazing, instead of having a great big large pasture, we divide it up into smaller pieces so that they eat the grass in that area. We get animal impact on the land, and the beauty of that is you're knocking that grass seed down into the soil again, starting a whole new regeneration of a plant seed population. The other part of that too is creating that wildlife habitat and biodiversity, because you can leave pieces of the grass for some of your species at risk birds and nesting habitats. So rotational grazing really fits well into our operation. We've extended our grazing season so that we can keep our cattle out on pasture a lot longer through the season, and with the goal of, if we can, year-round outside grazing. It's much healthier for the animals and the environment as well. And some of our crops we're using cover cropping so that cattle are grazing the cover crops in November and December before snow falls. And the beauty of that is you're feeding the animals, you're keeping them outside, but you're also providing a green living material for carbon sequestration and greenhouse gas mitigation. And I think that kind of completes the cycle, because you're adding some things to the soil biology by adding the animal on there, just with its grazing, its hoof action, and the soil and the microbiomes that all interact and have a role to play in that complete life cycle on soil biology and a healthy environment. Farming has kind of taught us a lot of things. I think probably first and foremost is Mother Nature rules the roost.